So I don't know if you guys are in the buy now because I had to buy was a breakout here, and we rode this up 300 pips. I think I did a let's see a channel. Let's see. Your NOK. There was one that was so a while back. Early bird special points for 600. Okay, this one you guys should get out of this trade. It's gone 318 pips. It's I believe this thing is coming back down. So just take your profits. If you're in this trade, just take your profits. If the way up reactivates, I'll let you know. But right now, God, I'm so sleepy. It's the end of the day. Oh man, I helped my cousin with his business. We were cleaning, very expensive sports cars, doing some waxes, doing all kinds of stuff, some a lot of stuff coming. Um, yeah, so yeah, I mean, I'll link this, but yeah, we're gonna do another one right now. I think this is it. I think it's gonna fall short of this target. It's now matching the other side over here. Um, I think that may be it. And I think these are activated because I see this long wick right here. This long wick that's basically kind of screwed that up. So um, let's see. Let me see. So looking at the chart, um, I don't see a divergence here. I mean, it says like it's 80-20, but I don't see the long positions going down. I mean, they're pretty much flat. I mean, they gotta be moving somewhere. I mean, not just short positions, more people just coming in. So, but the longs don't seem to be phased by this. So, um, hmm, this may be it, at least for a while. So, I'm gonna go ahead and take a short right there. So that's gonna be my stop loss at the top of that market structure. Um, hey, it's pretty tight. I know, 12.33 risk return. So it's a good risk return, and we're keeping it tight. So I'm going to sleep. I'm very tired. Make sure, if you like this content, like you like the analysis and things like that to help you trade and everything, make sure you like, share, subscribe. All right. Bring in your friends, your buddy, whatever. All right. Tell them about KOFXS, um, giving out free signals. Um, and that's it. I'll see you on the next one. So EURNZD, I'm looking for 611 pips down, possibly. Okay, going for it. I mean, this breakout down here, we got a nice run up 400 to about, I think we were at the end of there, I'm not sure, but about almost 400 pips. All right. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. We don't need to be totally top bottom, trade scared. You just want to get kind of the meat of the move, get in the right direction. You'll do fine. So see you guys in the next one. Peace.